Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers. It's much appreciated. And if you're watching this, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It's much appreciated. Right, today I'm just taking a look at these locos that I got from eBay. And they're all for repair or spares. And what I do, I get these and take out the motors because the motors don't work, and getting ready for push-pull locomotives. So you can use them for double heading without the hassle, and then you can use them for like trains moving scrap locomotives. So in front you can see these two class 25s, and they cost me $29.95. That was including postage. And then there's a class 37 that cost me £23.50. And then there's a class 47 and another 37. They came as one lot, and that cost me £50 and 5 pence. So roughly I'm paying, well, I only paid £15 each for these two, so that's good. But roughly it's about £25 you pay. Thing is, I wish manufacturers would actually do this with their locos, is bring out dummy locos. I stripped the 47 all down and cleaned its motor. You see it's a pan motor there. I cleaned all that up, cleaned the contacts up, and it now seems to be working. It's a bit hesitant, but it does move, as you can see. It just sticks a little bit sometimes. Well, if it gets a good run in, it should be okay. It's the pickups on the back. If you give it some welly, it goes. So that's one I've repaired. So there we have. I've got myself a new loco. Like I say, this was in a job load of repairs or spares, and I've repaired it. All it basically needed was cleaning. I've got a new loco. So it's always worth trying on eBay for non-runners. Because all you need to do is put in a little bit of work, and you've got a new locomotive for a fraction of the price. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll carry on with doing my other pull pushes and see if any of them I can repair first. So here we have it, a new addition to my fleet at a fraction of the cost for a new loco. When you're taking the body off this loco, you have to take the buffers out, and then the body's just clipped in.